Okay, so the first one is no, because if you had a fraction like f, let's say 1 over 2, that would equal 2 over 0, which is not in Q. So we've fallen outside. B, that's a yes. There's no problems here. It's if P over Q is in Q, then tripling the top and the bottom is also in Q. There's no issues there. And there's no ambiguity. It's clear, clearly defined. You're just multiplying the top and the bottom by 3. So no problem there. C now. hmm. Hmm. Let me skip C, come back to D, because D is easy as well. So if you had something like F1, oh no, you couldn't have Q as 0. So, okay, that's not as easy as I thought. Okay, C. F 1 over 1 would be 2, because it'd be 1 plus 1 over 1. F actually, I could say F0 over 1. So the P is 0, so it'd just be 1. F0 over 2 would be 0. And then that would be 2 over 4. So that would be a half. So that would mean F0 over 1 does not equal F0 over 2, but 0 over 1 equals 0 over 2, so it's not unique. That is assuming you're treating these fractions as being the same. I don't know, actually. I don't know. Are we considering 0 over 1 and 0 over 2 as the same fraction? Yeah. Yeah. So I think these are really more like equivalent classes. If you take the fraction as an equivalent class, really. So like, I guess I kind of would prefer to have this in like square brackets nearly. Then yeah, it's not a mapping because it takes the same equivalent class. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like I'm not really satisfied, but I think the answer is a no for this one. D. Oh, that's tougher. Can I simplify that a bit? Is 3 over 7 P over Q squared? But I can take the P over Q out. So that would be 3 over 7 P over Q minus 1. So I kind of think it's something similar is going on here. So f of 7 over 3 will be 0. And f of mm, 14 over 6. Yeah, that work? No, that wouldn't quite work. Oh, I guess actually it's the same problem as before because I have the p over q in the front. So 0 over 1 and 0 over 2, they both would become 0 in the end. So you have a situation where they're supposed to be the same because they're both 0. Oh no, they are the same. Sorry, I'm getting confused. I wanted them to be different. Um, hmm, I want the same fraction, written in two different ways, giving me two different answers. Hmm. Hmm. I think this time the answer is yes. Yes, the answer is yes. Because each P over Q gives um, its own unique value, meaning that you don't have a situation where you have the two different values for the same P over Q. So each P over Q has one value. It's clearly defined. Yeah. Yeah, so each P over Q has one value. So that's a yes here for this one. This one here is no, because you have a situation where you have the same P over Q essentially, but you get different values. This one here is a no, because we fall outside of the Q. And this one here has a yes. There's no problems. Same as before, I guess. Yeah. So I think no, yes, no, yes. I think. Yeah, I can check the answers somewhere.